Hi guys, welcome to my channel Soil and Margaritas. Today's video is about me working on the area right here on the back porch area. I decided that I'm going to be moving, or my husband is going to be moving, this redbud tree that I have here. My plans change for the spot where it is now, so it needs to go back. That way about 3 or 4 feet, and about, I don't know, 2 or 3 feet towards the right. So it should be a fairly easy job, although my husband thinks that it's going to be a lot harder than what it seems, but thank goodness that he's helping me. So that's it. This redbud is absolutely beautiful and I love it. My husband does not share my feelings for this tree, but he's happy to help. So hopefully I don't hurt the tree badly, that it won't come back next year. So hopefully keeping my fingers crossed that this tree comes back next year beautifully and bigger and stronger. And yeah, so that's what I'm going to be working on today. And before you leave any hating comments, you guys, please know that we are not professionals. We are just regular home gardeners that we do our best with what we have. My husband is very knowledgeable when it comes to doing these things, but we happen to run out of tools that we needed for this job. So we used what we got in the garage and we did our best. We really try not to hurt the tree, but the leaves, maybe some branches will be looking a little bit sad for the rest of the year, but hopefully they'll come back for next spring. So I hope you enjoy it. I'll take them. working on 5 hours trying to move this tree. We're finally able to say that we're done. Today is the next day. Yesterday I was way too tired. My batteries ran out, and at that point I was done with cameras, tripods, everything, trying to record everything. So whatever I got yesterday, that's all you got, you guys. I am so thankful that my husband helped me with this. I am so grateful that he was able to help me with this, and hopefully this is it, and this tree is finally in its permanent home, and I am done moving them around. 2 things you should know about moving trees, you guys. You should definitely try not to move them. So first I will say, think really hard about where you want the trees to begin with. That way you don't have to move them around. It was completely my fault. I acknowledge that, moving this tree, because I thought that I wanted something for this backyard, but I changed my mind, and obviously the tree was going to be on my way, so I had to move it. And even though it's a small tree, the root ball of this tree is gigantic, big enough that even my husband and I couldn't even move it by ourselves. So the second thing will be, if you absolutely have to move the tree, definitely get some help, because this thing was, like I say, ginormous. I absolutely love this redbud, and I am hoping that it didn't get hurt, and hopefully next spring I can get to enjoy it fully, and I'll be updating you with how it's doing and if it blooms at all for next year, but I think it's going to be okay. So now I am ready to keep on going with the next step, which you'll be seeing on my future videos. Alright guys, thank you for being here, and until the next video,